Running ads for your new info product and worried the spike in traffic will freeze your payments? Many creators see sudden declines or account flags when their gateway doesn't recognize fast growth. Here's a simple way to monitor sudden traffic surges. Logging daily ad spend and sales lets you spot unusual spikes and provides proof of legitimate growth if a processor questions your account. Even with careful tracking, payment gateways can flag sudden activity. Digital products and online marketing often trigger automatic reviews. That's where EasyPay Direct comes in. They underwrite info product businesses and match you with banks that understand how digital marketing drives traffic. With transaction routing included, your payments stay flowing even during sudden sales spikes. I've linked EasyPay Direct in the description so you can check it out today. Their white glove service means you also get a dedicated contact to help with any payment issues. If you're scaling your info product with ads, EasyPay Direct helps you keep your gateway active and trusted. Use the link in the description to get started today.